Tonight's spotlight shifts to a surprising late summer transfer shakeup that reshapes a storied club's lineup. The club announced a strategic swap, pairing a veteran goalkeeper with a rising midfielder who excels in high-pressure moments. Analysts note the move enhances spine stability and opens attacking routes, signaling a new era for European campaigns. Fans erupted online with memes and measured optimism as preseason friendlies reflected the bold system in action. As the season begins, the club aims to convert early momentum into silverware, while rivals recalibrate to the changed dynamics.